Are you currently hella poor? Have you tried to make money in the stock market but just get confused and become even more poor? That's why you need us. My team of fictitious finance advisors from a fake planet that exists in my head know exactly what to do with your money. They gave me a plan to make 400% by the end of June, and I can't keep it to myself. Hey there, everybody. I'm Me Not Sure. Still totally enjoying this lifestyle. As we've gotten bigger here at TNT, we've needed some added support. In our expansion, we wanted the best, but we couldn't afford anybody here on Earth. So we outsourced from Planet Wurth. Their entire economy is based on speculating on the New York Stock Exchange, so we thought they'd be reliable. I contacted their biggest bank, worth way more, to see if their talent pool was closer to our budget of $5 to $10 a month. They sent us upstairs, and luckily the executive of the big ol' account section was a big ol' fan of Trenches and Trees. We gave him some merch, and he gave us his financial allegiance. Meet Scoop McMoney. I'll let him take over and explain his plan for our money this June. Take it away, Scoop. Thank you, Mr. Not Sure. It's truly a pleasure for me and my team to be working with those responsible for the forward progress of our economy back home on Wurth. But we don't have much time with your tiny-ass budget, so let's get to the rapid wealth increase plan. We may want to grab some supplies before we start. Hurry. Our rapid wealth plan has one objective: to maximize $10,000 by June 30th, or as you humans say, YOLO. Our first play is Coinbase, buying calls at a $270 strike price, expiring June 20th. We are looking to enter immediately or any dip underneath $265. Now we're exiting when the stock gets near $320 or when the premium hits $45. Good old green flags. Bitcoin continues trading above $110,000. Daily volume spikes greater than 20% above the average, and it breaks resistance at $275 with some volume. Terrible red flags include Bitcoin dropping beneath $100,000 rapidly, SEC enforcement or regulation headlines, and it breaks beneath $255 support with heavy sell volume. Our second play, Nvidia, will buy $135 calls, expiring on June 20th. We'll enter as soon as it gets down to about 130, or if it breaks out above 133. And we'll get the hell out of there as soon as the stock gets to around 150 or our premium doubles. Some good green flags. AI news catalysts, product launches, chip contracts, things like that. Bullish engulfing candle above 133 with high volume. RSI greater than 60 and climbing on the daily chart. Terrible red flags. Major chip supply news or China trade policy fears. Break below 128 with no bounce. Or tech sector corrections and NASDAQ pullbacks. Round the third play. Keep up. Tesla buying $330 calls that expire July 18th. We will jump in on this thing when it pulls back beneath 335 or breaks out above 345. And we'll get the hell out of there as soon as it hits 370 or our premium double. Green flags. Strong EV delivery numbers among global expansion nodes. Heavy call auction volumes or unusual upper activity. Relative strength in NASDAQ and risk on sentiment. Red flags. Regulatory news, recalls, Elon SEC issues, shit like that. Break below 330 with high volume, or sudden weakness in consumer and auto sectors. Our last play is Apple. We're going to buy calls, $200 strike price, expires on June 20th. Okay, you're going to buy immediately or any dip that hits beneath 198, and then we're going to get the hell out of there as soon as the stock hits 215 or our premium hits $12. Green flags. We got WWC in early June. Product announcements. AI Vision Pro. Shit like that, okay? Break up above 204 resistance with strong momentum and upward guidance or analyst upgrades. Red flags. Weak iPhone and Mac data, okay? General tech sell-off or Fed hawkish commentary and break below 195 with no fucking support. And that's really the whole shebang? Thank you, Mr. McMoney and your whole team. I can't wait to see you guys in June with all my money. God, I hope these little imaginary blue guys are right. Maybe we can get enough money to have SpaceX fly us out to Wurth to party with these dudes. Worst case, we destroy their entire economy. Best case, we get to live it up like a Wurthian.